Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to pen. So as example you can create new design and I will go to plan view. You can draw rectangle. Now we use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to use the pen tools, you can go to the right bottom and there are the pen tools. You can click and then you can click in the drawing area, hold to pen the object. To close you can press escape button. If you want to use the combination keyboard, you can press control button, hold and then press middle mouse to use pen. If you release it will be back into the selection tools. You can press control button, hold and you can press middle mouse to use pen. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to use pen. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.